Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And guys, as you can see, I'm here in Walmart. I am in the vitamin aisle because we have an incredible deal that you're going to want to do. So make sure that you have your Ibotta app downloaded. If you don't have it downloaded, it's okay. I'm putting the link in the description box as well as in the comments. You just click on the link, go ahead and set your account up. And the first time you redeem a rebate, you get that amount of money from the rebate plus an extra $10. So let Ibotta pay you to try the rebate out. Now, if you've never used Ibotta before, all you do is simply purchase an item, upload your receipt, and boom, you get cash back. That cash back is in your account within a minute or so, and you can use that to either put into your PayPal account, your checking account, or you can buy gift cards. Do whatever you want with it. But guys, this is an amazing deal. And the other thing about Ibotta is that when you share your link with your friends and family, when they redeem their first rebate, you get $10 and they get $10. So guys, let's make those $10 add up this summer, because guess what? That can pay for like a quarter tank of gas, because that's all we're going to get for $10. So guys, let's get ready to save. Okay guys, are you ready for this? Because we have a freebie on our hands. So in the Ibotta app, there is a rebate for the Hello Bello vitamins. Let me show it to you. So it says when you buy one Hello Bello vitamin, you get another one free, right? So it's BOGO, buy one, get one. It's $9.98 back. So it says buy two of any variety, any size. Well, guess what? You don't have to buy two. You only have to buy one. So this is an Ibotta glitch. So I don't know how long this is going to last, but if you need these vitamins, you need to get here and get them. So it works on all of them because it's any variety, guys. So you can get the kids sleep well, you can get the sleep well with melatonin and botanicals, the hair, skin, and nails, the kids mood boost. Look, I can't even talk. They have the probiotics, more of the hair, skin, and nails, kids multi probiotic, the teenage girl multi, the organic multi women's. But I don't think oh yeah, it may work on that Hello Bello. Hold on, let me scan that one and see if it works on that one. Yes, guys, it does work on the women. So they're all $9.88. So it doesn't matter which one you get. They're going to be free for you, plus a 10-cent moneymaker, because you're going to get back $9.98. So guys, grab your gummies, and I will be back to show you my receipt and show you proof that it worked. Okay, guys, so I'm back home and it worked. It is free vitamins and a money maker. Free vitamins and a money maker. So just to show you guys, I got the women's multivitamins and I got the kids, the sleep well and melatonin. And the reason I did that is because this one, the sleep well and melatonin, that's the one that I see a lot of people doing on social media. So I just wanted to make sure that the adult one will work too. And you can only do one per account. So I did one on my account and one on my mom's account, just to make sure that they work. And both of them work. So we're winner, winner, chicken dinner, free vitamins. So let me show you guys the receipt. So this is the receipt for the sleep well, these right here, the purple ones in the purple. See, they were $9.88. And then here is where I got the $9.98 back from Ibotta. So that's a 10-cent money maker. And then here is my receipt for the women's vitamins. They're women's organic multi, and you see that they were $9.88. And there I got back the $9.98 back. So this was a 20-cent moneymaker. So guys, go out, get your free vitamins. Remember, we don't know how long this is going to last because it is an Ibotta glitch, so it could be fixed at any minute. So you need to run and get your free vitamins. Come back, let me know which ones you got, and let me know that everything worked out for you. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, share it with a friend, put it on your social media. Let everyone know what we're doing over here at Nicole's Making It Happen. And until the next time, keep on saving.